What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wutek here. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. This morning we're gonna take the car out for a drive. It's been raining here in California last week, so it's nice to finally, hopefully I can take it out and drive and the roads aren't too wet, because my tires do not do well in a wet environment. And yeah, stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Okay, so I had this whole thing planned of me taking my car on the road and showing you guys some nice driving footage. But things didn't work out quite as planned. My GoPro got trashed in the road, so now we have to do another video. This one is more about first car wash of the day. So stay tuned, guys. This new device that I picked up on Amazon called the Hydro Shot. So what this device does, it's perfect for washing your car if you don't have a nice water source. So basically what I did was I have two buckets. I have one for clean water and one for soap. And what this jet pretty much does, it gives me like a nice power wash, a portable power wash. And I love it. I've used it once already, not on the Shelby, but I've used it once on my other car, and it worked perfectly. So basically what we're gonna do is we dip this portion inside the wash bucket. Then we have the adapter here. So now we have to prime it so the water can go through the hose efficiently. And once again, this is perfect for if you don't have any like nice water source or live in an apartment like I do. Now that we have the car all rinsed and ready for a wash now, I'm going to start with the carbon fiber rims first, and then we're going to do the whole exterior of the car. Here's the finished product. She's beautiful. Alright guys, so here's the final product of me washing my car with limited to no water source. So this is called the Hydro Shot, and I found you can get it on Amazon or even Walmart. And I highly recommend getting this device, especially if you have limited to no easy access to water. I just used two buckets. One was for soap and water, obviously, and one was for clean rinse. And I hardly use any of the clean rinse. I think I have like about a quarter left of clean water to do the final rinsing of the car. And I highly recommend this product again. It saved me a lot of time. I don't personally like taking it to hand washing places because typically they don't do a thorough job like I really want. And especially since this car is still new, I want to do all the washing myself and make sure everything is done right. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll put a description or a link for this item in the description if you guys want it. Let me know if you guys want it in the comments below. Have a good one.